Hey everyone, in this episode of Travel Odysseys, we are here at Walt Disney World's Epcot theme park to experience Mission Space, a great thrill ride. But before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Give this video a huge thumbs up, and in the comments section below, put in the hashtag Travel Odysseys. Your support is greatly appreciated. Which one?
Team 4.
Team 4.
How many? How many? 3?
Welcome to the International Space Training Center. You're here today to train for the greatest adventure in the history of mankind, space travel. I know you're probably feeling a little nervous right now, but don't worry. Every astronaut has felt that way at one time or another. Even the heroes who went to the moon. But there is one thing they had that you don't have yet. Training. You're here today for flight training, the most thrilling experience that any astronaut candidate will ever have. Before you decide if it's right for you, let me introduce you to your spacecraft. The X-2 Space Shuttle. It's powered by solid hydrogen and can accelerate from 0 to 6,000 in 60 seconds. So when you hear the words "go for launch," you'll definitely want to hang on. Now you've already been organized into teams, and soon each of you will be assigned a position. Navigator, pilot, commander, or engineer. The success of your mission will depend on all of you working together as a team. I'll be your Capcom, and in a few minutes I'll give you your specific assignments. But first, our flight director has some safety instructions for you. Lieutenant?
Remember the team number you're standing on. When the doors in front of you open, you will be directed to a flight station with that number on it. When you get there, please stand on the circles. During your Green Team Less Intense training mission, you will be enclosed inside X-2 flight simulators that produce sensations of acceleration. Those who are made uncomfortable by enclosed dark spaces or simulators should bypass this experience.
As you can see, astronaut flight training isn't like anything you've ever experienced before. If you would like to opt out, just ask any member of the ISTC crew for directions. As for the rest of you, report for your pre-flight briefing. It's go time.
Scan all flight stations. Getting pre-flight status report. Walt? We are go.
Proceed to flight stations. Rows 5 and 6. Rows 4 and 7.
Attention astronaut candidates. You have selected Green Team Less Intense Training. However, if you are made uncomfortable by enclosed dark spaces or simulators, you may exit the flight training area now. Ask a uniformed crew member for directions.
Congratulations, team. You have been selected to train for a spectacular mission around the Earth. Your flight path will take you west across North America, Asia, Europe, and back home to Florida. You're gonna love it. All of us here at Mission Control wish you a safe journey around the planet.
You feel like you start getting dizzy, just close your eyes.
Mission Control, this is the flag. Give us the go and go for launch. Surgeon, network, you are go for launch. We have main engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Mission Control, the tower is clear. They're all yours. Mission Control to
Initiated.
Commander, initiate flight sequence. Now.
Initiated.
Navigator, initiate thrusters to adjust pitch. Now.
Are you the navigator?
Computer override. Initiated.
Engineer, activate flight cameras. Now.
Initiated.
There's Florida. There's the
Your flight
Mississippi.
path today is taking you across the United States, past the Grand Canyon, and leaving the continent at San Francisco. The space station should be coming into view. And down on Earth, the Hawaiian Islands.
Oh, wow.
In a moment, you'll be crossing paths with another X-2, just launched from the Pacific.
Yeah, that's the moon, Kate.
Up ahead, you should see Japan, the land of the rising sun. As you cross into China, you'll pass Beijing, the Great Wall, and we've got reports of a storm brewing over the Gobi Desert.
That's pretty wild, right?
Passing over the
Isn't it lightning?
Himalayas, you should have a gorgeous night view of India. By now, you're over the Middle East, and to the left is the Nile River, snaking its way toward Cairo and the Mediterranean.
It is beautiful. You see Italy?
You should be seeing Greece and Italy. And up ahead, Paris, the city of light.
Wow, look at that light.
Tonight, there's a spectacular northern light show on your horizon.
We're getting reports of a strong storm cell directly in the landing pad.
Okay, listen up, team. Change of plans. It's going to be a challenging approach, and we'll need all of you working together. Pilot, initiate landing sequence. Now.
Computer override. Initiated.
Navigator, initiate descent. Now.
Rocket fired.
Engineer, extend wings for gliding. Now.
Computer override. Wings extended.
Commander, activate manual control. Now.
Activated.
All hands on the control sticks. Pull right. Now left. Right. Left. Back to center. Hold it steady.
They're coming in too hot.
Pull back.
did
Down
it.
and clear. Mission accomplished. Good work, team. Welcome back to Earth. And welcome to the Astronaut Corps.
Okay, head back.
Thank you for watching this episode of Travel Odysseys. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and in the comments section below, put in hashtag Travel Odysseys. Your support is greatly appreciated. And always remember, life is sweet for the bold, so adventure with us on Travel Odysseys.